So many women in this room have worked, literally for years, to bring our dreams to fruition. And now we're all here, in this exceptional moment in history, to culminate a year of celebration and to commence our assembly. So I am proud and very verklempt to call our Centennial Assembly to order.
There's simply nothing that you have not led us, taught us, nourished us, and sustained us. So I'm here to say loudly and clearly, thank you.
I want to point out that given the long histories in the book and on the screen of everything you've done it because women in sisterhoods and women in WRJ have been giving for a long time. So the first thing that I hope you will be able to say to yourself as you walk out of here tonight is, okay, I am a philanthropist.
Shiru Adonai Kol Haaretz. Shiru Adonai Shir Chadash. One more time. Shiru Adonai Kol Haaretz. Shiru Adonai Shir Chadash.
Few people embody more directly than J. Feinberg the words of the Talmud, "Whoever saves a life has saved an entire world." The Gift of Life Bone Marrow Registry that Jay founded and continues to lead has made more than 10,000 matches in the past 2 decades. From drives just at our URJ camps, at least 2 matches have been found. Thanks to Jay and Gift of Life, we are helping save the world, one cheek swab at a time.
I believe that Judaism is an inheritance of willful opposition. I believe that holy chutzpah sits at the heart of our tradition, that going against the grain, that challenging the status quo from within is the kernel of vitality that has kept our people alive for thousands of years. And in many ways, it has been driven by women whose hearts and minds are oriented not only toward honoring the past, but toward dreaming great dreams for the future.
And how many synagogue board members trace their skill sets back to their nifty days? And how many of you developed a zest for the reform movement in your local youth group, part of the movement that your predecessors created?
But over these past 15 or more years, there have been almost 25 recipients of money from the Yes Fund. Students from the former Soviet Union, from the Ukraine, from France, from South Africa, where without your support, these people would not be able to become rabbis.
For 3,000 years, women have played the most crucial role in redeeming our people, in renewing our people, and giving our people life. And for the last 100 years, the roles that the National Federation of Temple Sisterhoods and the Women of Reform Judaism have played in this movement and in the larger world are beyond exemplary.
Diane and I have been friends for more than 20 years, and I had the pleasure of passing my gold lifeline pin to my friend Diane. And I'm giving my pin back to WRJ.
Thank you.
I'll pray, I'll try to help complete the whole. But we need peace down here. Bring it down. Bring it down.
For our second Aliyah, we invite to this bima the past presidents of the Women of Reform Judaism. And we invite all those members of Women of Reform Judaism and former members of the National Federation of Temple Sisterhoods to please surround one of the bimot so we can honor you on the 100th anniversary of the founding of WRJ. Amen.
Amen. Zevulun lechov yamim shichot v'hu.
It is with complete joy and hope and positive feelings for our future that I present this actual pin that gets handed down from president to president for 100 years that I put on with such joy. Justice, justice did Jane pursue. We, the women of Reformed Judaism, are Jane's greatest legacy because we live the values that she taught us. It is in that spirit, in Jane Evans's spirit, that we, women of Reformed Judaism, present the 2013 Jane Evans Pursuit of Justice Award to a most deserving recipient, Anat Hoffman.
Who sow in tears will reap in joy, will reap in joy. Those who sow in tears will reap in joy. Sing it out with us.
For the countless ways throughout the past century that WRJ has made our movement stronger and more vibrant, we honor them tonight with the Rabbi Maurice Eisendrath Award. Please join me in acknowledging, thanking, and most of all, celebrating the women of Reformed Judaism.
I'm standing here tonight with our Executive Director, Marla Feldman, and 8 past presidents of Women of Reformed Judaism and the National Federation of Temple Sisterhoods, on behalf of all of the women who have come before us, starting 100 years ago with Carrie Simon and the 156 women who formed the National Federation of Temple Sisterhoods, and including the tens of thousands of women in today's sisterhoods. And it is on their behalf, it is our privilege and honor to accept this extraordinary recognition of women of Reformed Judaism.
We are gifts and we are blessings. We are His story in song. We are hope and we are healing. We are learning to be strong. We are words and we are stories. We are pictures of the past. We are carriers of wisdom, not the first and not the last. Dor vador nagid god lecha. Dor vador we protect this chain from generation to generation. the door vador, these lips will praise your name.